What's up, y'all? I'm starting a new project today. Gonna build a 16-foot garden bed in the backyard with my wife. I'm here at the hardware store and we're gonna get some supplies. Let's go. Rebar. Oh Lord, I'm right up to the volume knob with this one. The beauty of this project and using the garden blocks is that there's only one cut in this whole project. There it is. Okay, I think I have the basic footprint established here. We're gonna go in these corners. This is 4 feet between, and then from one to the other, it's 16 feet. And I just gotta till up all this, all the weeds. So let's get one of these 4-footers. Okay, so that's 48 inches from that other garden bed to here. So now I'm gonna double stack these garden blocks. All right, got my 2 other boards in. Now I just have to measure and make sure that I have 55 on the nose here. Looks like I'm spot on there with 55. Nice and level. And voila, we have our 16-foot by 4-foot garden bed. The best part about this whole garden bed is if we ever want to rip it out and change the shape, make it an L shape, make it shaped like a plus, do some tiering, make it 2 levels, all of that's easy to do. If you made it this far, hit that like button for me, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.